Cardboard Hobby, we are cracking 2024 Donruss Football Blaster 10-box eBay break. July 21st, 2025. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Halls of Stuff with the Jets. We got MZIM86 with the Cowboys and the Ravens. NATHJO-4007 with the Texans, Dolphins, and your Buccaneers. JG2345 with the Saints. JWREYN2_04 with the Bengals, Rams, Jaguars, Patriots, Commanders, and your Lions. IllRider42069 with the Giants. 77 Hefner with the 49ers. Shields 30 with your Steelers. Buffalo JR12 with the Eagles. Donkey Dog Balls with the Vikings. B.G. Clements with the Colts. Donkey Dog Balls also with the Chargers. GRGUE_2346 with the Chiefs. Donkey Dog Balls also with the Raiders. Cracked Attic with the Packers. Donkey Dog Balls also with the Broncos. Orange Ranger with the Bills. DGA-230 with the Falcons, and Donkey Dog Balls with the Bears and your Cardinals as well. All right. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 boxes. 2024 Donruss Football Blaster box. These are the updated version 2 from Target, actually, too. So, okay. Plastic coming off box number 1 here. We do run through the base cards at a fairly steady pace. We do, of course, stop on all of the hits. If any cards you want us to go back on, please holler in the chat, and we'll be happy to do so. Empty box there. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Malik Washington, rated rookie there for the Dolphins. Peyton Wilson, rated rookie for the Steelers. Ricky Pearsall, rated rookie for the Niners. Troy Franklin, rated rookie for the Broncos. It's an all-rated rookie pack. Jamari Thrash, rated rookie for the Browns. Trey Benson, rated rookie for the Cardinals. Dallas Turner, rated rookie for the Vikings. There's a Bub Means, rated rookie for the Saints. Ray Davis, rated rookie for the Bills. Keon Coleman, rated rookie for the Bills as well. Jordan Whittington, rated rookie for the Rams. There's a red Darius Robinson press proof. Rated rookie there for your Cardinals. Nice Darius Robinson. Rookie Revolution. Blake Corum, rookie there for the Rams. Rookie Revolution, that's sharp looking. Dominators. Patrick Mahomes insert. Nice Mahomes Dominators. Jeremy Shockey. How about that for the Giants? Nice Jeremy Shockey there. And Jalen Polk, rookie. There's Jalen Polk there for the Patriots. And a Christian McCaffrey there as well. And a McCaffrey. All right, pack number 2 here. Okay, so I did do some research here on these Target version 2 blasters here. And I do believe one pack has all the rookies and inserts, and the rest might be base cards. So we'll double check and make sure here. We will double check and make sure, of course. Okay, we got a Rookie Revolution in here. Xavier Worthy, Rookie Revolution there. Nice Xavier Worthy. Rookie Revolution there for the Chiefs. Very nice. So Worthy in there. Nice Worthy there. Very nice Worthy. we will definitely double check every single pack, of course. All right, so this is 2 packs left here out of box number 1 here. All right, last pack here out of box number 1. Okay. Box number 1 down. All right, box number 2 here. Plastic coming off. Last year box number 2. Let's get our packs out here. Okay, empty box. All right, that one may be the hit pack there. We'll see if that works out that way. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1 out of box number 2 here. Here we go. Okay, so definitely looks like that is what they most likely have done here. One pack has all your rookies and all your hits here per box here. The other thing is they do show 6 packs per box, and there's been 7 here in the first 2 as well. Hey, there's a relic mixed in there. Bijan Robinson. There's a Bijan. Donruss Threads relic there for the Falcons. There is a relic mixed in there. All right, there's a nice Bijan. Donruss Threads relic Bijan there for the Falcons. Nice Bijan relic there for your Falcons. So we mixed in a little relic in there. Nice Bijan there. Very nice Bijan. Donruss Threads relic there for your Falcons. Nice Bijan there. Sharp relic there. Falcons. Okay, so like I said, there's been 7 packs here. First 2 box. Okay. All right, so this pack should be our hit pack here. Out of box number 2 here, guys. So last pack here out of box number 2. And, yeah, we got a rated rookie here. Okay, here we go. Cornelius Johnson, rated rookie for the Chargers. Fontaine, rated rookie for the Steelers. Bucky Irving, rated rookie for the Bucks. Jordan Travis, rated rookie for your Jets. Darius Robinson, rated rookie for the Cardinals. Tyler Guyton, rated rookie there for the Cowboys. There's a Rattler, rated rookie for the Saints. Tip Raymond, rated rookie for the Cardinals. There's a Brock Bowers. There's a Brock Bowers, rated rookie for the Raiders. Nice Bowers. Corley, rated rookie for the Jets. Marius Mims, rated rookie for the Bengals. And a red. Press proof. Dalton Kincaid there for the Bills. And we got a production line there. Jaden Reed, Jordan Love. Sharp insert there for the Packers. Dominators. Another nice Mahomes Dominators insert there, too. There's a Michael Pratt there for the Packers. George Pickens there for the Steelers. And a William Perry for the Bears there. Okay. All right, we're on box number 3 here now. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box. Okay, so I'm going to say that one might be our hit pack there. Possibly. Again, 7 packs. All right, pack number 1 here out of box number 3. Here we go. We did have that Bijan Robinson relic there that was mixed in here too, so make sure we check through all these here. All right, pack number 3 here, out of box number 3. Pack number 3 here. Frothing, welcome. Thanks for your support, appreciate it. Good luck here as well. Okay. All right, pack number 4 here. We may actually have a. All right, we do got a Galaxy of the Stars, Josh Allen there. Galaxy of the Stars, Josh Allen there for the Bills. Sharp insert there. Nice Josh Allen there. Galaxy of the Stars there. Very nice. All right, this is pack number 5 here. Pack number 5. Okay. Pack number 6. Pack number 6 here. All right. Okay, here we go. Last pack here. This one should be a majority of our hits here. Okay, here we go. All right, we got a Grundo, rated rookie for the 49ers. Kate Stover, rated rookie for the Texans. Jaheim Bell, rated rookie for the Patriots. Jared Verse, rated rookie for the Rams. There's a Will Shipley, rated rookie for the Eagles. Chop Robinson, rated rookie for the Dolphins. Luke McCaffrey, rated rookie for the Commanders. Rasheen Ally there for the Ravens, rated rookie. Jacob Cowling, rated rookie for the Niners. There's a Penix. There's a Penix. Rated rookie there for the Falcons. Nice Penix. There's a Drake May, too. Nice Drake May, rated rookie for the Patriots there. Kate Otten, red press proof for the Bucks. Rookie Revolution. Pearsall there for the Niners. Nice rookie Revolution. That's sharp looking. There's a retro Drake May. That's sharp too. Nice retro Drake May rated rookie. Very sharp retro Drake May there. That is sharp. Those retros are really sharp looking there. There's a Mel Renfro there for the Cowboys. Chase Brown for the Bengals. And a Brad Johnson for the Bucks there. Mr. Brad Johnson. Nice Drake May in there. Nice Drake May there. All right, box number 4 here. Get our packs out here. Empty box there. Okay, let's see. Maybe that pack might be the pack with all of our hits in it there. All right, let's start here, guys. Pack number 1, box number 4. Here we go. Pack number 1, box number 4 here. Okay. Pack number 2. All right. Pack number 3. Once again, they've added an extra pack to every box here. Pack number 4. Out of box number 4, by the way. Pack number 4 out of box number 4 here. This pack actually feels a little bit thicker here. Yeah, there is a, we got a relic hit here in this one, guys. We got a relic hit here. And we got a relic. It is the Cardinals. Ooh, nice. Wow. Oh, my. At a 25. Marvin Harrison Jr., rookie phenom. Beautiful patch out of 25. 10 out of 25. How about that? Nice Marvin Harrison Jr. there. That's a sharp card. That's a very nice hit for the Cardinals there. Definitely a two-color patch there. Out of 25, too. Congrats to the Cardinals. Real nice Marvin Harrison Jr. there. All right. That is a sharp hit there. Really nice hit there. Nice Marvin Harrison Jr. Two-color patch, rookie phenom. And once again, that's 10 out of 25. Congrats to the Cardinals. That's a sharp hit there. Real nice Marvin Harrison Jr. there. How about it? Very nice. Real nice. All right, so they got the relics in here with your base packs. Relics are mixed in with the base packs. Frothing, yeah, that is a nice card. Okay. Last pack here out of box number 4 here. All right. Here we go. We've got our hits here. Jahar Jordan, rated rookie for the Texans. Nice Worthy. There's a Worthy rated rookie for the Chiefs. Anthony Gold, rated rookie for the Colts. Devon Bailey there for the Broncos, rated rookie. There's nice Odunze, rated rookie for the Bears. Cornelius Johnson, rated rookie for the Chargers. Fontenot, rated rookie for the Steelers. Bucky Irving, rated rookie for the Bucks. Jordan Travis, rated rookie for the Jets. Darius Robinson, rated rookie for the Cardinals. Tyler Guyton, rated rookie for your Cowboys. There's a red press proof. Deron Bland for the Cowboys there, too. Nice Vortex. Marvin Harrison Jr. rookie there. Nice Vortex. Marvin Harrison Jr. rookie. Sharp card there. Will Shipley, the rookies for the Eagles. Jason Kelsey there for the Eagles as well. CeeDee Lamb there for your Cowboys. And we got a nice Keon Coleman there for the Bills, too. Rookie there, too, as well. Okay. We are on box number 5. Plastic coming off. Box number 5 here. Get our packs out here. Okay, empty box there. Alright, let's see here. Maybe the bottom one here might be our... This one feels... let's see here. Alright. We're going pack number 1 here, box number 5, and looks like we may have got our hit pack right out of the way this time. Yes, we did. Hit pack right out of the way here. Alright, here we go. Alright, pack number 1, box number 5. It's our hit pack. Here we go. Tanner McLaughlin for the Bengals, rated rookie. Jonathan Brooks, rated rookie for the Panthers. Marshawn Lloyd for the Packers, rated rookie. There's a Smith, rated rookie for the Eagles. Jalen McMillan, rated rookie for the Bucks. Devin Leary for the Ravens, rated rookie. There's a JJ. There's a JJ for the Vikings, rated rookie. Nice JJ. Vackie, rated rookie there, too, for the Lions. There's a nice Caleb. There's a Caleb, rated rookie for the Bears. Nice Caleb. Malik Washington, rated rookie for the Dolphins. Peyton Wilson for the Steelers, rated rookie. There's a Terry McLaurin. Red press proof there for your Commanders. And we've got a Stafford Vortex insert there. Nice Stafford. Nice Javon Baker. Hollow rated rookie optic, too, there. Nice Baker. Nice Javon Baker. Hollow rated rookie out of optic there for the Patriots. That's sharp looking there, too. Nice Javon Baker. We got a Lamar Jackson there for the Ravens. There's Josh Allen, too, for the Bills. Nice Josh Allen. And a nice Xavier Legette rookie there, too, for the Panthers. Okay. We'll go right back. We'll go right to this pack here now. All right. Pack number 2 here out of box number 5. Go through these packs here. Could have a possible relic or patch in them. We'll double check them all here. And we got a Rookie Revolution, Jonathan Brooks. So they did sneak in a Rookie Revolution there, Jonathan Brooks for the Panthers. Sharp card there. They did sneak one of those in there. Okay, 2 packs left here. Out of box number 5 here. All right, last pack here, guys, out of box number 5. Last pack here out of box number 5. Okay. We are now on box number 6. Plastic coming off. All right, let's get our packs out here. Box number 6 here, empty box there. Okay, let's see here. Might be the bottom one this time. Possibly. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. Pack number 1 here out of box number 6. Here we go. Pack number 2 here. Pack number 3. Okay, we did sneak in a Galaxy of Stars CeeDee Lamb there. Nice Galaxy of Stars CeeDee Lamb there for the Cowboys. They did sneak one of those in there. Pack number 4 here. Okay, pack number 5. Pack number 6. Out of box number 6. All right, coming up next is going to be our hit pack here, guys. Coming up next is our hit pack here. Here we go. All right, this pack should have... Okay, here we go. We got a Brian Thomas Jr., rated rookie for the Jags. Dylan Johnson, rated rookie for the Titans. Tyrone Tracy Jr., rated rookie for the Giants. Jalen Polk, rated rookie for your Patriots. There's a Jaden. There's a Jaden, rated rookie for the Commanders. Nice Jaden there. Vidal, rated rookie for the Chargers. Braylon Allen for the Jets, rated rookie. Keelan Robinson for the Jags, rated rookie. Terry Arnold for the Lions, rated rookie. Casey Washington for the Falcons, rated rookie. And a Fuaga, rated rookie for the Saints. And a Fontenue red press proof, rated rookie there as well. A Rookie Revolution, nice Xavier Worthy. Sharp looking card there. Nice Rookie Revolution. Xavier Worthy there. Sharp hit for the Chiefs. The rookies, Corley for the Jets. Vince. Nice Vince Ferragamo there for the Rams. Dallas Turner, rookie for the Vikings. Nice Dallas Turner. Nice Penix there, too. There's a Penix. Nice Penix for the Falcons there as well. Nice Penix. Okay, box number 7. Plastic coming off. Get our packs out here. Empty box there. Okay, let's see here. Maybe towards the bottom there, possibly. All right, here we go, guys. Pack number 1. Out of box number 7. Here we go. Pack number 2. Pack number 2 here. Pack number 3. Oh, there's an auto. Right in there. Jaron Hall for the Vikings. Got an auto mixed in there. Nice signature marks Jaron Hall auto for the Vikes. There's an auto. There's a Jaron Hall for the Vikings. Signature marks auto. Sharp hit there. Alright, got an auto in there. Nice signature marks there. Jaron Hall for the Vikings auto. Sharp hit there. Nice Jaron Hall. Signature marks auto for the Vikings. Nice hit for the Vikes there. There's an auto. There's an auto there. Alright, pack number 4 here out of box number 7. Pack number 5 here. Alright, pack number 6. Alright, looks like we did save our hit pack for last here. Okay. Alright, last pack here. Coming up out of box number 7. And it should be our pack of our hits here. And it is... Alright, here we go. Cooper DeJean, rated rookie there for the Eagles. Nice Cooper. Nice Cooper. Brendan Rice for the Chargers, rated rookie. Nice Neighbors. There's a Neighbors, rated rookie for the Giants. Nice Neighbors. Adonai Mitchell, rated rookie for the Colts. Johnny Wilson for the Eagles, rated rookie. Nate Wiggins for the Ravens, rated rookie. A.J. Barner for the Seahawks, rated rookie. There's a nice Marvin Harrison Jr. for the Cardinals, rated rookie. Graham Barton for the Bucks. Rated rookie. Joe Milton for your Patriots, rated rookie. Tahad Palmer, rated rookie for the Cardinals. There's a Zach Moss for the Bengals. Red press proof. And we got a production line. Baker Mike Evans for the Bucks there. There's a nice JJ throwback. Nice JJ throwback, rated rookie there. Nice JJ throwback for the Vikings. Jared Verse for the Rams. Nice lad. There's a lad. Nice McConkey there for the Chargers rookie. And we got a lot too for the Colts rookie there as well. All right. Box number 8 here, guys. Box number 8. Get our packs out here. An empty box. Okay. Bottom pack should be, most likely, our pack of hits. We'll save that for last. Pack number 1 here, box number 8. Make sure we check all these packs. We have had some hidden hits here. Looks like there may be a hidden insert in here. We got a Rookie Revolution there, Esteme for the Broncos. A Rookie Revolution Esteme there for the Broncos. Sharp looking card there. Nice Esteme. Very nice Esteme there. Alright, pack number 3. Pack number 4 here. Alright, pack number 5. Pack number 6 here coming up. Okay, guys, here comes our hit pack. Here comes our hit pack right here out of box number 8. All right, here we go. All right, we got a Will Shipley rated rookie for the Eagles. There's a Chop Robinson for the Dolphins rated rookie. Luke McCaffrey for the Commanders rated rookie. Rasheen Ally for the Ravens rated rookie. Jacob Cowing for the Niners rated rookie. There's a Penix. Another nice Penix rated rookie for your Falcons. Another nice Drake May, a rated rookie for the Patriots as well. Nice Drake May. There's a Taj Washington for the Dolphins. A rated rookie. Joe Alt rated rookie for the Chargers. Jaquan Jackson for the Titans rated rookie. And Esteme for the Broncos rated rookie. We got a Jabril Peppers red press proof for the Patriots. Followed by Saquon. Galaxy of the Stars Saquon insert for the Eagles. Nice Saquon there. Galaxy of the Stars insert there. And a Marvin Harrison Jr. red hot rookies for the Cardinals. Another nice Marvin Harrison Jr. red hot rookies there for the Cardinals. Sharp looking card there. There's Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers. Latu rookie for the Colts. And a DeMarcus Lawrence for the Cowboys. All right. Box number 9, guys. Plastic coming off here. Get our packs out here. Empty box there. Okay. Hopefully the bottom pack there. Here we go. Pack number 1 out of box number 9. Here we go. Pack number 2 here. Pack number 2. That one, this one feels maybe no. I wasn't feeling correctly on. Okay, here we go. We're up to pack number 4. Pack number 4 here. All right, pack number 5. Pack number 6. And looks like we might have an insert there. Vortex Jordan Love insert there. Nice Vortex Jordan Love there. Sharp looking card. Nice Vortex Jordan Love. All right, here we go. Last pack, guys, out of box number 9. Should be our hit pack here. All right, Jalen Polk, rated rookie for your Patriots. There's another nice Jaden. Another nice Jaden, rated rookie for the Commanders there. Another nice Jaden. Vidal for the Chargers, rated rookie. Braylon Allen for the Jets. Rated rookie. Keelan Robinson for the Jags, rated rookie. Terry Arnold for the Lions, rated rookie. Casey Washington for the Falcons, rated rookie. Fuaga for the Saints. Rated rookie. Grendo, 49ers. Rated rookie. Cade Stover for the Texans, rated rookie. Jaheim Bell for the Patriots, rated rookie. There's a red press proof. Daniel Jones for the Giants. Rookie Revolution. Blake Corum there for the Rams. Got another red hot rookies. Esteme for the Broncos. Red hot rookies there. There's a Stroud. There's a Stroud for the Texans. There's another nice Jaden. There's a nice Jaden too. Nice Jaden there. Another nice Jaden rookie for the Commanders. And a Drake May too. And a nice Drake May rookie there as well. So nice Jadens. Drake May there. Nice Jadens. All right, guys. Box number 10. Last box. Plastic coming off. Some housekeeping notes. All cards do ship here at Cardboard Hobby. All cards do ship. We do got a fantastic break schedule. Empty box there. All throughout the rest of the week and weekend coming up. Don't miss out on those. CardboardHobby.com as well. We got breaks filling on our website. And we keep our break schedule always up to date there as well. All right, guys. Pack number 1, box number 10. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Pack number 2 here. Pack number 3. Pack number 4 here. All right, looks like we might have an insert here in this pack. And we do. We got a rookie revolution there. Ray Davis for the Bills. Our rookie revolution there. Ray Davis for the Bills. Okay, we are on pack number 5 here. All right, pack number 6. Here we go. Okay, guys, one more pack. Last pack here, and it should be a hit pack here as well. Out of our last box. All right, here we go, guys. Tahan Palmer, rated rookie for your Cardinals. There's a bow. There's a Bo Nix, rated rookie there for the Broncos. There's a nice bow. Nice bow. Blake Corum, rated rookie for the Rams. Brendan Rice, rated rookie for the Chargers. Neighbors for the Giants, rated rookie. McLaughlin for the Bengals, rated rookie. Jonathan Brooks for the Panthers, rated rookie. Lloyd for the Packers, rated rookie. Smith for the Eagles, rated rookie. McMillan there for your Bucks, rated rookie. And a Devin Leary for the Ravens, rated rookie. How about a Jeff Blake, red press proof for the Bengals? We got a Justin Jefferson, Galaxy of the Stars there. Nice Justin Jefferson for the Vikings, Galaxy of the Stars. Right behind that's a Keon Coleman, throwback. Rated rookie there. Nice Keon Coleman for the Bills. There's a nice Brock Bowers. Nice Brock Bowers for the Raiders. A rookie there. Another nice Keon Coleman rookie for the Bills. And a Pearsall rookie for the Niners. All right, hit recap here coming at you guys. We did have your signature marks. Jaron Hall auto. Signature marks there for the Vikings. Nice Jaron Hall there. Very nice auto for the Vikes. Very nice. Real nice patch here on the rookie phenom, Marvin Harrison Jr. That's a really nice patch. 10 out of 25, too. How about it? Low numbered. Nice Marvin Harrison Jr. Rookie phenom, 2-color patch out of 25. That's a sharp hit there. Man, that's sharp. Nice hit for the Cards. Real nice hit for the Cardinals. And we also had a Donruss Threads Bijan Robinson relic for the Falcons. Nice hit there for the Falcons as well. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Once again, cardboardhobby.com. We do have breaks also filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. We got a fantastic break schedule once again all throughout the rest of the week and weekend coming up. Don't miss out on those there as well. I will be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. We still have our 2024 Donruss Optic Football Mega 5-box eBay break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much again for all of your support, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there.